Hey guys, it's Melissa Martini on behalf of designbundles.net. Today for Design School, we're going to be talking about how to use digital papers within Silhouette Studio. The first thing you'll want to do is go ahead and open up your Studio program. We're going to hit File, Merge, and then find the paper that we want to open. Now this brings it into your mat. You can see the paper is much larger than our workspace. So what you can do is come over here to the Transform panel and then choose the scale option, and you can change it 50% of its size, 33% of its size, however you need to move it down. Let's just go ahead and zoom out a little bit. We can grab it up here and pull it to our workspace. So if you wanted to just print this paper, that's possible. We want to make sure that it would fit on our print space. So come up to the Page Setup panel, and where it says the size, let's go to letter. Let's just say we're going to print it on a letter. So now you can take the paper and drag it to fit on the letter size to be able to print out. And this is what you'll see when you do print it. Just go ahead, if this is all you're wanting to do, you can go up to File, Print, and then make sure everything is good and send it to your printer. Okay, you're also able to use this glitter paper to fill shapes and text as well. So let's look at how to do that. Okay, the first thing we want to do is come over here to create our shape. So you can choose over here exactly what shape you're gonna make. Let's just say we're gonna do this one here. We're gonna place the shape over our paper, and you can adjust the paper to fit within your shape. And then we'll come over here to the Modify panel. Make sure you've selected both the paper and the shape and hit Intersect. And you can see now that you can have a print and cut here. It is ready to go. It's filled your shape with that color. Let's go ahead and open up, go File and Merge. We'll choose a new color of paper here. Once again, as we did before, this is really big. We'll go over here to the Transform panel, scale it down. Let's make sure that we have the right thing selected here. And I'm just going to bring it over here. Now you can do the same thing if you're working with text as well. So you can come over and type a little bit of text. We're just going to type fontbundles.net. Let's make sure that you have your text highlighted, and then you can choose your font. And then pull it over here with the select tool onto the paper. Then come over here to the Modify panel. Make sure that your paper and your font is selected and hit Crop. And just Command G to group, and you have now your text that is full of this fun glitter paper. And now that your text and your shape is done, if you wanted to do a print and cut, you could go ahead and align it here on your paper and send it just like this to your printer. And that's it, guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe before you leave. Thanks for watching, and we will see you soon with the next tutorial.